We will start with a simple OR configuration with two normally open contacts in network 1. Digital inputs 0.1 and 0.2 will be utilized in all networks to illustrate how differences in the configuration affect the output. Note that with this configuration, either one or both inputs can be high to produce a high output. Both inputs must be low for the output to be low. Now, in network 2, we will configure the OR network with one normally open contact and one normally closed contact. With this configuration, I0.1 must be high or I0.2 must be low for the output to be high. In network 3, we will insert two normally closed contacts in the OR configuration. Network 3 requires either one or both inputs to be low for the output to be high. If both inputs are high, the output is low. We will now save and download our project to be able to monitor the effects of the different OR configurations on the outputs of the networks. When the download is complete, we click the eyeglass icon in the menu bar to begin monitoring the block. With both inputs at a low state, the output of network 1 is low, while the output of both networks 2 and 3 are high. Now, with input 0.1 high, the outputs of all three networks are high. With both inputs high, the output of networks 1 and 2 are high, but the output of network 3 is low. With input 0.1 low and input 0.2 high, the output of networks 1 and 3 are high, while the output of network 2 is low. As you can see, dependent upon the configuration, many output scenarios are possible using OR logic operations.